Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So for all those new subscribers, welcome again. And for my old subscribers, thank you for hanging in there for me. So I have another reveal. This is something I ordered recently and I went to pick it up today. So John Lewis is a store that I have mentioned in previous videos. It's a bit like Macy's. It has a lot of brands in it and it has its own brand. And the good thing about John Lewis is you can order things online and you can click and collect, so you can actually go and collect it yourself. I mean, you can get it delivered, and this could have been delivered free of charge. But I decided, since there was one local to where I live, that I would order it online and then click and collect it, which I did today. So let's dive into the item straight away and reveal this bad boy. So it came in this lovely little bag, which means that I didn't have to buy a bag. And I'm just going to snip it at the top. I'm not going to show you the front because it has my personal details. Alright, so let's see what's in there. So I don't know whether you can see that. Let's tilt the camera. So if you're wondering, it's a bag, and it didn't come in a box, it came in a dust bag, as you can see. And that's good. So it's an item from Chloe, and this is a brand I've never actually bought from. It's so it's a brand called C by Chloe, which is actually owned by Chloe. So it's just a cheaper, more affordable brand of Chloe. So it's all wrapped up in this bag. Open this up because I have seen it in store, but I haven't actually seen it in person. Sorry if this video is all over the place. Dust bag is quite, I don't want to say cheap looking, but it's not great. So anyway, forget about the dust bag. This is the actual bag. So I'm just going to tilt the camera slightly. So the name of the bag is the Hopper Crossbody small bag, and it says in red, but this is actually a burgundy color. So it's gold hardware. It has the logo on it, so I can get it to. Sorry, I'm not in the best position where I am at the moment. So that's the, should say C by Chloe, but I don't know whether you can see that there. And it has a long strap. I'll just open it first of all so you can see what it looks like inside. Okay, so it's got C by Chloe there. Got some paper in it. Some more paper. And that's what it looks like inside. It's got like this kind of, let's say, cloth. See that? It's got one pocket here. See what this is. So this is some kind of card. So this is some kind of authentication card. You're supposed to write the date just there, and see what that is. It says point of sale, so the next box at the bottom, which I'm presuming is where, I don't know, maybe the store puts a stamp or something like that. And it says here authentication. So apart from that, it's just one big cavernous in there, and it's got like a pocket. I guess you can put one card, like it had the authentication card, and it has a long strap. Just unwind that so you can see it. So that's the strap, and it looks like I can actually remove the strap and use it as a clutch, which I think I've heard it can be used in the evening. It has no back pockets, and I'm just going to quickly show you what you can put inside it. So I was just checking it because I haven't actually seen it. So I was just reaching out for the tape measure. I saw one in the John Lewis down in Oxford Street. I think that was the last one. And online it said that this is actually the last one. So I just wanted to make sure that it was in good nick, and it is. And the leather smells absolutely amazing. So this is painted leather, and it's mimicking that like croc kind of effect on it. So I'm just going to measure it, and I'll tell you what the measurements are. So it's about 7.5 horizontally, and vertically it's about 6, and the depth is 3. And I'll just measure the strap drop. Okay, the strap drop is 24 inches. So the measurements I gave you before were actually in inches. So this bag retailed for £152.50. I did see it on sale originally for £213, but it was originally twice the price. So it was, let me try and work that out. So the original price of this was £305. So it originally went down, and then John Lewis are doing the final clearance, and I think it finishes on Sunday. Um, this was actually the last one. I don't know. I haven't looked on the website recently to see whether they have any more in stock. But when I ordered mine, it did say one left. So I thought, well, I did want it, and I'd been waiting to see whether it would go down any further. I nearly bought it for £213, but I didn't think it was worth it, and so I waited, and it went down. And when I ordered it, it said it already said it was the last one. And once I ordered it, it was said it was out of stock. So I don't know whether you can actually get this on the website anymore, or you might have to go to, I don't know whether they sell C Chloe brand. Sorry, Seen by Chloe brand on the Chloe website. But like I said, this is a spin-off from Chloe itself, but it is actually under the Chloe brand, but obviously for a much cheaper price. Anyway, I've done enough rambling. I just wanted to show you something that I'd bought, a handbag, because I haven't actually bought a handbag in quite a long time. And I've had my eye on a few other handbags which are much cheaper than what I would actually like to buy, which is the new Chanel bag, the Chanel 19. I absolutely love that bag. I've always wanted to buy a Chanel, but I could never actually bring myself to buy the classic one because I just thought it was quite stuffy. And finally, I've seen a bag that I like, but it cost an arm and a leg. So for now, it's a pipe dream. But this is one of many that I intend to buy throughout the year. I had my eye on another bag. And if I do get round to buying it, I'm hoping that it's going to go down. They're going to do some kind of special offer, and then I'm going to buy it. But it isn't actually too expensive, but I still want to get a bargain like all of us. Anyway, if you have any comments, please put them in the comments box below. Tell me what you think about this bag. And yeah, see you in my next video. Sorry, I forgot to mention, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And any comments, put them in the comments box below. And please support my channel by subscribing, hit the red button, and also hit that notification button. And once again, till my next video, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.